Hello students, we will see in this topic, that is property law. The property law, we will first of all see what does property means. Property means a bundle of rights or interest which is having some economic content attached to it, be it the property of immovable properties or the property which includes in movable property. The property is basically divided into two categories. First is tangible and second is intangible. Whereas the other category of property includes the immovable property or the movable property. The Property Transfer of Property Act 1882 covers only the immovable property and defines those things which are does not included as standing timber, grass and growing crops. Whereas the definition given of the immovable property under General Clauses Act Section 3 Clause 26 defines the immovable property as the land, things attached to earth and all those minerals or the things which are embedded under the earth. So, first of all, the right which are given under the immovable property includes right attached to the land, benefits arising out of those lands, which is also known as profits or pentre under the English law, and also the categories which are given as the things attached to the earth. First of all, we will discuss land. The land means the surface above the earth, the surface beneath the earth. It also includes water, lakes, ponds, trees, all those things, even the soil and minerals. Second, things attached to earth means such fixtures which are already covered by the property or the land attached to the immovable property. Moreover, all those things which are by intention of the human beings are attached to the earth. For example, buildings, walls, all those things are embedded in the earth. Third, the properties attached or the rights which are attached with the properties and the profits which are arising out of those lands and the benefits arising out of the land, which includes such rights. For example, right to catch a fish from the ponds or lakes and all those things which are attached to the property which already a human possess. Second thing, the land also includes such minerals which are beneath the earth. Already in the case of Anand Behra versus State of Orissa, it was held that those things which a person is having as regarded to the immovable property, for example, the catching of fish or the collection of fruits from a farm which he is possessing from the last 20 to 25 years are also regarded as the right to immovable property which are arising as the benefits arising out of the land which is possessing. The next thing which we will discuss is the movable kind of property, which includes tangible goods, for example fruits, the vegetables, the commodities which we are exchanging with each other in our daily life. Those things are given under as the movable property which is defined under the Registration Act Section 2 Clause A. It defines particularly all those properties which can be moved from one place to another and which is not of immovable nature. All those things which does not include those properties which are described as the immovable property also comes under the category of movable property. Moreover, the standing timber, grass and the growing crops are also regarded as the movable property until and unless it is severed from the land for its permanent use. The next concept which we will discuss is that the things which are attached to the earth and the benefits arising out of the land must be of the permanent nature. For example, building is having walls and the doors etc. and windows which are given and which are intended for the permanent use can be described as the permanent topic of the immovable property. Moreover, both the things, movable property and the immovable property, only those things are covered under these definitions and regulated by Transfer of Property Act and Sale of Goods Act, which is having or some sort of economic purpose and which has some value attached to it. Thank you.